Tech, meantime, coming off a big week, and Apple sitting around all-time highs, getting closer to a $3 trillion market cap. Our next guest warns, though, if Apple growth slows or inflation rises, valuation could wind up being a headwind. Barton Crockett's with us, Rosenblatt securities analyst, has a buy target of 198, joins us at Post 9. It's good to have you back, Barton. Welcome.
Thank you.
We have seen some downgrades from some of your peers on the street last few days, looking at, like, iPhone purchasing intent. Is that something you're watching seriously?
Well, certainly, we're keenly interested, obviously, in the iPhone intent. I think the thing that they have in their back pocket is a very easy comparison, right? So we all remember the supply interruptions in the December quarter. We also know on the services side that a lot of that exposure is ad-driven, where the comparisons get much easier for people that would be comparables, like Google and the ad market. So, I think that it's a bit early to call that you need to be overly concerned about the growth returning to Apple. And the share gains, I think, are sticky and I think have been underappreciated for a long time. So I'm loath to lean against that today. But I think you need to be careful. I mean, valuation is on an absolute basis, not at a peak for Apple, but on a relative basis is. So certainly at a tricky juncture.
Right. How does inflation play into this? You mean inflation for them, or inflation as a competing asset class versus the equity here, or what?
Well, I worry about inflation in terms of the consumer's pocketbook, right? So how much are they able to spend on the luxuries? Now, iPhone is not really a luxury; it's a necessity, and it is the most important device of this economy, which I think is part of why the market has been so quick to embrace Apple. Plus, there's the call option on disruptive innovation, and we're beginning to see some of that potential with Vision Pro as people digest what could this mean, what could it be. And I think that the more we look at it, the more interesting it becomes.
What are the Wall Street expectations on that, on Vision Pro versus where reality lies for you?
Well, our model has nothing meaningful in it for Vision Pro today. This is really something where I think expectations were low heading into the event in terms of what it would do for the business. But I think the opportunity is that we get more excited about it and that there is more to put into the model around this.
You also don't like the power cord hanging from the side.
I don't like the power cord hanging from the side. But what I do love, is, I'm doing a lot of traveling this week, is the opportunity for this to be your new computer screen, right? So, as a road warrior, we're all tethered to our, laptop screens. Well, what if this becomes your computer screen that fills up your entire room? I could easily see then buying that to make me more productive when I'm traveling, which I wouldn't be alone. There could be an interesting use case there.